Gold against US dollar. This week has risen in value, and we can see after the prices formed a bullish breakout. Previous week, the prices continued to rise in value, and we can see the prices are reaching higher price levels. The week started with this bullish candle, second bullish candle, third bullish candle, then it's made a small retrace back down to the first support level, and then continued and also making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3572.79. This is just indication of the further rise in value after this bullish breakout has been formed. The weekly time frame shows me that we can see it is a bullish breakout has been formed in the previous week, where I have shared information. I'm expecting that the price will try to move higher price levels. We can see the price is heading higher, and we can see a pretty strong bullish candle. Monthly time frame shows the same scenario. After the price formed bullish breakout in the previous month, the price is rising in value. I have shared that several days ago and also several weeks ago that the price will try to move higher price levels, and this is something that is happening. The price is trying to move to high price levels. Where it will stop, I do not know that, but I am following the daily to see how the price will behave around this area of support and resistance, and you can see I have put several resistance in front of the price to see how the price will behave. But the price also during the week changed the levels where the price stops, retrace, then I also follow the market and change these support and resistance accordingly, especially on the lower time frames like 4-hour time frame, the day and the 1-hour time frame, because on the lower time frames the situation is much more clearly visible where the price is heading. And we can see for the 1-hour time frame for the next week, I will make this area populated with support and resistance levels where I'm expecting the price will rise and then retrace, because currently it is too wide area without resistance and support levels, or at least on the 1-hour time frame, and we'll see how the price will behave around that. So feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to receive these updates when there is a bullish or bearish breakout happening on the market on the lower time frames, to receive where the next target is. Like in this example, we had a bullish breakout with the target, the next resistance level. The price after several hours has reached this area of resistance and touched the target. So feel free to check, join other traders and receive these updates. So for now, for the gold, everything is pointing that the price will try to move higher price levels. So this is something that I'm expecting also next week. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.